Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing your footage and getting straight to the frame where the face is largest and unobstructed. Once done, select the clip on the timeline and open the tracking controls in Capcut PC. This is under Effects Tracking or via right-click Track. Make sure your video resolution and frame rate match your export goals to avoid jitter. You're initiating tracking now, so set the tracking box tightly around the face and choose the Face or Object preset when available to bias the algorithm toward facial features. Once the tracker runs, review its path and make adjustments to keep it locked. You should tighten the box and adjust smoothness or follow speed, lower smoothness for rapid head turns, and raise it for subtle shifts. If automatic tracking slips, add manual keyframes on prominent features like eyes or nose, and correct the path frame by frame where needed. Make sure to toggle interpolation between linear and smooth to match the motion profile, because proper interpolation prevents drifting and keeps overlays aligned throughout the clip. You finish by parenting your effect, mask, or sticker to the tracking data and previewing the full timeline to confirm alignment. Once satisfied, render a short test export to verify the result in a standalone file. If you spot drift during playback, go back and tighten keyframes around problem sections or reduce applied smoothing. And if the tracker consistently fails, try using a clearer reference frame, reduce motion blur in source footage, or rely on manual keyframe corrections to guarantee the face stays matched throughout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.